forward escape, I am going to show you the instrument panel, like what some of this stuff means, okay? You see this right over here. This is the rotations per minute, okay? This rotation per minute goes all the way up to 8,000 rotations per minute. If you ever get in the red, you should be worried that your car is going to break, okay? All right, now, right here, this is how you check the gas. I currently have a full tank of gas in my new E-Class. Gator boots on, okay? I'm going to look over here. This shows me how cool and hot the vehicle is. Right now, it's in the center. If it gets all the way to the red, I should be afraid. Right down there is cold. And if you look up right here, this shows the odometer if I turn the selection on. Or right now, it shows the tripometer. And it shows where I'm at. I went 236 miles, right? The odometer right here shows this vehicle has gone 852 miles, okay? All right, now, in order to look right here to see how fast I'm going, this is the speedometer. This shows me how fast I am going, all right, in mile per hour, and on the inside on this particular vehicle, kilometers per hour. Now, that's the instrument panel. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.